What is it? This is a Bluetooth 5.0 aptX True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Why I bought it? Because I don't have wireless earbuds and I need one. So yeah, I bought it with my own money and it's not sponsored by anyone. In fact, I've bought a few pairs of the wireless earbuds for my family. It's such a nice gift to give. How does it sound? Pretty good for the price. Should you buy it? Short answer is yes. You wanna know why? Please keep watching. So, what do you get inside the box? The charging case, the left and right earbuds, the large and small ear tips, the medium already fitted to the earbuds, USB-C charging cable, yes, a user manual, and finally the warranty card. Okay, now let's talk about the charging case. It is small, lightweight, and pocketable. It is made out of plastic, but the build and finishing is good enough considering the price. I've been using it for a few months now, and it has not many scratches. There is only a single LED indicator. Blue means charging, red being charged, green means fully charged. The USB-C charging port is at the back. The cover is held closed magnetically. It doesn't automatically turn on and pair when the cover is open. There are two slots for the earbuds. These are the pogo pins. The space is enough even if you want to change the ear tips. There are magnets holding the earbuds in place. The Onyx Neo wireless earbuds are small and very light too. It has glossy finish, but the surface area is not very big, so fingerprints are not noticeable. The touch control area is surrounded by a white ring, which is the LED indicator light. Sometimes there might be accidental touches, especially when adjusting the earbuds. The trick is to hold the earbuds from the side. Once I got used to it, this is not a problem anymore. The charging contacts are at the bottom. Each earbud has their own microphone, because they can work in mono or stereo mode. In stereo mode, it will utilize the microphone in the main earbud being paired. The fit and comfort is really good with the default ear tips. This is not an active noise cancellation earphones, but the passive noise isolation is doing quite a good job reducing the ambient noise. This is unlike other wireless earbuds which are rather chunky. The Tronsmart Onyx Neo is small and lightweight. It doesn't protrude out from the ear too much. It is so comfy, sometimes I forget I'm wearing them. The fitting is good enough for workout and exercise too. The Onyx Neo has IPX5 rating. This means it has no problem with sweat, splashes or rain. But don't try to submerge into water or go swimming with them. When you are using the earbuds for the first time, the LED lights on the earbud will flash red and blue indicating it is in pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth setting and you will see Tronsmart Onyx Neo left or right, depending on which earbud you take out from the case first. Tap on it and the pairing process will start. Once paired, the LED will turn blue and there is a voice prompt saying the earbud is paired. Then your phone will prompt you to pair to the other earbud as well. But it will say connection unsuccessful, and yet the earbud will still be added to your devices list. Fortunately, the LED light does not remain on during normal use. The next time when you remove the earbuds from the case, it will turn on and pair to the last connected device automatically. Too bad it doesn't support simultaneous multi-device pairing. To connect to another device, first you have to unpair from the connected device. This can be quite inconvenient. To use the earbuds in stereo mode, remove one of the earbuds from the case, and it will pair to your device automatically. This earbud will be the main earbud. After that, remove the other earbuds and it will be paired to the main earbuds in true wireless stereo mode. Mono mode is not the same as single channel mode. It will merge stereo audio into mono. To use in mono mode, simply take only one of the earbuds out from the case. But if you are already using both earbuds, simply turn off or put one of the earbuds back into the case, and the remaining earbud will switch to mono mode automatically. If the active earbud was not the originally paired earbud, it will take a second or two to switch the pairing to the active earbuds automatically. You can also pair the left earbud to one device and right earbud to the other device. provided the devices are not in the same room and more than 15 meters apart. The Tronsmart Onyx Neo supports full touch control, meaning it can control all the functions using touch control. Given the price point, it is a welcome feature. Not every TWS earphone supports full control. It is really convenient, especially when your phone is in the pocket or it is charging somewhere. You have to remember the touch control patterns for different functions. But if you use it often enough, it shouldn't be a problem. Just that for me, sometimes the timing and accuracy of my touches will register wrong commands. So here are the touch controls. The earbud battery capacity is 35 mAh and the charging case has 350 mAh. You can check the earbud's battery percentage in iOS and Android. Too bad this information is not available in macOS. Why? To charge the earbuds, just put them back into the charging case. The red light on the earbud will turn on while charging. A quick charge of 5 minutes gives you up to 1 hour of playtime. The charging current for the charging case is around 400 mA. It will take approximately 1.5 to 2 hours to charge from empty to full. The Tronsmart Onyx Neo uses Qualcomm QCC3020 chip, which support aptX, AAC, and of course SPC. As for sound quality, the highs are crisp and clear, and not overly sibilant for me. I hope the mids can be a little more forward, but they are clear enough. Lows are not really tight and precise, but it has a bit of rumble to give the impression of bass. Don't get me wrong, it is not lack of bass, but definitely won't satisfy bass hits. The soundstage is decent, and imaging is not bad. This is not the most powerful earphones, but definitely loud enough for everyday use. It's even good enough for in-flight use. However, if you turn the volume up too much, there will be distortion. Overall, the sound quality is enjoyable and not fatiguing for me. These are based on my listening experience and personal preferences. Everyone have different preferences and music tastes. For the price, I think the sound quality is good and enjoyable. I would say it's definitely worth getting a pair to try. These earbuds has Bluetooth 5.0. The pairing is really fast. The signal range is good enough for my tiny apartment, but sometimes signal does cut off or interrupted, especially when there are a few walls in between me and my phone. It should work better if there's a line of sight. Latency is very good. No noticeable lag when watching videos, but maybe not good enough for gaming. You can get better audio quality with aptX. However, it is not aptX, HD or LL. Now, let's talk about the microphone. Because of Qualcomm QCC3020 chip, it supports CVC 8.0 noise cancellation for voice. This is a sample recording from Onyx Neo microphone. Okay, now let's do a test on Tronsmart Onyx Neo microphone and voice recording quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Is my voice okay? Please let me know in the comment below. The call quality is good enough and it is doing a decent job to reduce background noise. But sometimes it introduces some artifacts. I wish there's a way to turn the noise cancelling function on or off. Here are some of my observations of the Onyx Neo. I wish it has more LEDs or different colors to indicate charge levels of the case. Single LED just doesn't cut it. Sometimes I don't even know when the case is near empty. I also noticed the battery will drain a bit faster on the main earbud. Occasionally when I take both earbuds out from the case simultaneously, it will start pairing and then after a few seconds, it will say powering off. I need to put them back into the case and take them out one by one. I'm not sure if this is a bug or there's something wrong with my unit. In case there's some pairing issue or something wrong with the earbuds, you can do a reset. To do this, put both earbuds back into the charging case. After the red indicator lights goes on for 5 seconds, hold the touch area for 8 seconds until the red and blue indicator lights flashing. Take the two earbuds out, then put them back into the case and close the charging case. The earbuds will reset and restart with the default settings. Here are the pros. It is small and lightweight. It has good sound. Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX, full touch control, decent playtime, IPX5 rating. At less than $25, this is definitely a very good value true wireless stereo earbuds. Here's the cons. Accidental touch, single LED indicator. If you are looking to buy a pair of true wireless stereo earbuds, I highly recommend the Tronsmart Onyx Neo. Give it a try. maybe you'll love it too. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review gives you some good info about the Tronsmart Onyx Neo. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!